Hello traders, D7 here for the noon report, standing in for Matador. Markets are up. Alright, we have the Dow up 0.7%, the S&P up 0.6 on the NASDAQ, Russell's 0.4, VIX is dropped, we're down at 23.6, and here's the 5-minute S&P. This morning the market opened, boom, flat line popped and then dropped, and then we come up over these moving averages. We come up and hit the 200-day moving average, and we have a high base formation looking for a breakout over 1100. That is what we are keying on right now. I'm going to pull up a 30-minute chart. I like looking at the 5-minute and 30-minute together, and I'm going to put my crosshairs back on here. We have a high base above the major moving averages with resistance right here at 1095 all the way until 1100 plus. Actually, we have resistance to 1104, 1105, so a lot of resistance right here. But if we can clear out 1105 by day's end, that would be very bullish. However, we're coming into the weekend, so myself, I like to be flat or very hedged over a weekend, but I can't tell you what you need to do in your own trading. You got to do that yourself and pay special attention, because I'm getting ready to move over to another section here. And we have the tick. I'm using a 2-minute on my tick, and then a trend. The trend's important. We are bullish. We're below the 1, bullish, and but flatlined at this moment. And we just looked at the 5-minute and 30-minute S&P, and bring this down. We're going to take a look at the bank. So we have, I'm going to move this up just a little bit. We have the S&P 5-minute, the S&P 30-minute, and here's the bank 5-minute. So here, it looks about right. The bank looks quite a bit weaker to me. Just down under the moving average, we pop up into them. Here we're under the moving average, popped up but stayed underneath them, and we're at resistance right there. So I'm not too excited about the chances of making higher highs by the day's end, but anything there can happen. See what the ISSU is doing. This is just advances to decliners. We are bullish, so that would be for day trading a bullish indication to be looking. And I also want my VOLD and my VOLD Q to be bullish, and both are in positive territory and heading northbound. So there it is. Be looking forward to see how this weekend wraps up, or this week wraps up. Be ready for the weekend edition at the end of the day. And Vegas, baby, coming up, Traders Expo. I don't know who's going. We'd like to team up with you. We are going to be teaming up probably at the Paris Hotel. The Mandalay Bay is where the event's taking place, or the Traders Expo. But at the Paris, there's a nice open area. It's that we can all kind of get to meet and greet and get to talk a little bit. So looking forward to that. I hope you can make it. Chat us up. Let us know if you're going to be there. Take care. Happy trading.